Hello and welcome to this video educational series from Superior Beds. I'm Alex Rebrain, the Marketing Director, and today I'm here to talk about buying a double bed. Now, when buying a double bed, there's only really two questions to ask and answer. The first is about size. Is a double the right size? And the second is about affordability. Can you afford a double or a bigger bed? Now let's talk about size. A standard double in the range that our manufacturers sell is 135 centimetres wide and 190 centimetres long. The next size up is called a king, and it's a full 15 centimetres wider and 10 centimetres longer at 1.5 metres by 2 metres. Now, write those two measurements down and then take a tape measure and measure your bedroom space. Remembering that most modern bedrooms are designed to take a double bed with two side tables. This means that you can easily accommodate a king size or even a super king in a modern bedroom if you trade one or both of your side tables for a bigger bed. But why would you do this? Well, it is our professional recommendation that you buy the biggest bed with the highest spring count that you can afford on a lifetime basis. This leads us to question number 2, affordability. Most people only consider headline price when buying a bed. What we want you to consider and understand are the 4 value factors. The first is price and price difference between the bed sizes. The second is cost per night. The third is space per person. And the fourth is number of springs per person. These 4 value factors drive the value indicator, but we'll get to that a little bit later. Let's take, for example, this bed and run through the value factors. Price. This double bed, for example, costs 4,199 Swiss francs. The king in the same make and model is 4,499 Swiss francs. Price difference of 300 Swiss francs. Now that's not a lot of money for a bigger bed, but let's see what happens when we consider the other value factors. Value factor number 2, cost per night per person. Now, we're going to assume that this bed has a lifetime of 10 years, as all the beds we sell are guaranteed with a 10-year warranty by their manufacturers. Now, on a 10-year basis, this double bed costs 0.57 Swiss francs per night per person. The king in the same make and model costs 0.61 Swiss francs per night per person. That is only 0.04 Swiss francs for a bigger bed. Now, value factor number 3 is about comfort and is space per person. Now, this double bed is only 135 centimetres wide and provides 1.28 square metres of space per person. The king size at 1.5 metres wide and 10 centimetres longer provides 1.5 square metres per person. That's a full 17% more space per person for the bigger bed. Value factor number 4, number of springs per person, also relates to comfort, as US research proves that there's a positive correlation between the number of springs and the quality of sleep. So, this bed in a double has 2,081 springs per person. In a king, 2,408. That's fully 15% more springs if you go to a king size. So these 4 value factors help us derive the value indicator. Now, the value indicator is a measure that we have designed to allow you to compare beds of different sizes and beds of different makes and manufacturers. So, this one number for this bed, this double, is 4,639 value points. For a king in the same make and model, 5,860 value points. Fully 1,200 more value points if you go to the bigger bed. That's 26% more value. What this does, these factors and this indicator, allows you to ask the real question. Are you willing to pay 0.04 Swiss francs per night per person? For more space, 17% more space, and more comfort, 15% more springs. I know I am, and I do. It is our professional recommendation that you buy the biggest bed with the highest spring count that you can afford on a lifetime basis. All this information and more is available at our website, Superior Beds, or call us on 022 51 81 391. Thank you for watching this educational series.